Hi, my name is Stephen Tenkin, and I'm the Program Director for the Life Science degree fields at the Extension School. I'm also the Research Advisor for students in ALM Biotechnology, Bioengineering, and Nanotechnology. Students in biotechnology take courses that advance their understanding of science and biotechnology practices. They also take courses that provide the opportunity to cross-train in areas such as computer science and management. Students in bioengineering and nanotechnology take some courses in the life sciences, but focus most of their studies in engineering sciences. All degree fields in life science programs at the Extension School have thesis as part of the final degree requirement. And for biotechnology, students have the option to step away from the lab bench and work on something more entrepreneurial and innovative for their capstone. What I learned when working with students as their research advisor for more than 7 years is that many have previously published in a scientific journal. So to give these students the opportunity to work on something different, we developed the Capstone. Our Capstone projects have been diverse, and most recently, there have been interest in digital healthcare, including artificial intelligence in the life sciences. The fields that I described, together with ALM biology, form the life science discipline at the Extension School, and I look forward to meeting with you and working with you.